Dear friends and followers, welcome back to my channel and lovely greetings from Papa 7, the cargo apron here at Luxembourg Airport. In today's video, the Cargolux maintenance team and I will show you how to clean the windshield of a Boeing 747 on the inside and especially on the outside. As the 30 747s of Cargolux are constantly exposed to the elements, this is a regular procedure for our mechanics. And I'll clear the myth that pilots clean their cockpit windows with Coca-Cola. So literally no messing about, and let's get started.
Cooper 40 Foxtrot Heavy, right on Zulu. When you get to Juliet, follow Delta Airlines from the right, monitor 1239.
Now in past videos you might have seen me clean the cockpit windows from an Airbus A320, which are easily accessible via the sliding window. Now most other aircraft are also fitted with cockpit side windows, which you then can open, and you as the pilot then can clean the windshields yourself. Now this luxury does not apply to the 747. Those cockpit windows are shut for good, and if they could open, you would be at 7 to 8 meters above the ground, which is a height I wouldn't recommend messing around with a sponge and your water bottle. So in order to clean the windshield of a 747, you would order the windshield cleaning service via ATC. Now here at the Cargolux home base, you dial in the operations frequency 131780 and speak to the foreman. So this is the equipment we'll be needing to clean the windows. Here we have the cleaning liquid which gets sprayed onto the windshield called CB, which is kind of ironic as you need that to see through the B, literally. So why CB? Because it has an alcohol base which once sprayed onto the windshield will then sort of soak the dead insects and other debris on the windshield, making it easier to rinse off. Next we have a lint-free cleaning cloth with which you spread the cleaning detergent and scrub the dirt off the windshield. Now, important note is that you can't just use any cleaning detergent or cleaning brush or cloth you get at the hardware store. No, Boeing demands these specific tools because by applying the wrong chemicals or brushes, you could potentially ruin the windshield by scratching it, which comes at a price tag of $125,000, wait for it, each. So trying to clean the windshield with an old dirty rug and some paint thinner might just be your last day at work. And well, most importantly, we need a cherry picker or a mobile crane or similar to lift you to the 8-meter high windshield. And one important thing before we apply the detergents, you have to turn off the window heat to prevent the cleaning materials sticking to the hot window and leaving nasty streaks on the shield. So what are we waiting for? Let's clean some windshields on a Boeing 747.
First I was given a safety harness before getting into the cherry picker and then was connected to a safety rail. David then lifted us up to the windshield, staying clear of the pitot tubes and the radar dome. I then leaned out of the cage to apply the CB onto the windshield and let it soak in for a minute. I then ensured that there was no dirt within the lint-free cloth and started wiping down the windshield. Now David instructed me to only go up and down in flight direction to avoid leaving horizontal cleaning streaks. I was surprised how effective the cleaning detergent worked after only one application. Now a similar technique was followed on the inside of the windshield, except that I had to instantly start wiping down the shield to avoid the liquid running into the dashboard. Yet again, only in the direction of flight, and this is another reason why the window heat has to be turned off to avoid getting electrocuted by the window heat connectors. Now this note here on the captain's yoke informs the pilots and other mechanics that the window heat circuit breakers are pulled and the plane is not safe to operate. And now look at how clean those windows are.
Now this cleaning procedure can vary from airport to airport. Here for example we have requested the service at Hong Kong Airport. They used a brush soaked in soap and a high pressure washer to rinse off the dirt. Now whatever they use, as long as the sensitive windshield doesn't get damaged and is in accordance with Boeing, the maintenance will get the job done. Now I mentioned the rumor that pilots clean their windshields with Coca-Cola. Now this myth or rumor has been around for years, and surprisingly there is some truth about it. Coca-Cola is a tad acid with a pH value of 2.6, meaning it works ideal for getting rid of dead insects on the windshield. But be my guest and try it out on your car's windshield, but not on your 747 or any other aircraft. Now, the second rumor is that the stickiness of Coca-Cola would create a rain repellent effect on the windshield. That is also true, but only for a few seconds. Because if you fly through a rain cloud at 300 to 500 miles per hour, that Coca-Cola rain repellent will wash off in a matter of seconds. And even worse, as you apply your Coca-Cola layer, the remains could run off alongside the fuselage and into the pitot tubes. And that's the last place you want Coca-Cola to run into, attracting insects to crawl into the pitot tube. Or the angle of attack sensor could get jammed by the sticky contents. So to sum up, I have never seen pilots clean their windshields with Coca-Cola, and I highly recommend not starting with it either. Now, you may think the plane has wipers and has those little water nozzles pointing at the windshield. Why not just clean the windshield with washer fluid, like everyone does in their car? That is a false assumption. Those little nozzles are for the rain repellent to be sprayed onto the windshield, similar to Rain X you can get at your local hardware store. Most airline jets come with that feature, where you have a little container of rain repellent in the cockpit and an activation button on the overhead panel. But due to environmental reasons and the contents of that liquid being so toxic, the system got banned in most countries, sadly making the system obsolete. But there are plans on bringing it back with a liquid that is less toxic. Now, on the other hand, the wipers are there to clear rainwater on approach, takeoff and taxi, and not to clean your windshields from dead bugs. But comment below and estimate the price of one windshield wiper of a 747. The closest one gets pinned. And speaking of the airplane wipers, I made a whole video on those. Click the link right here. Now, you might think that this procedure is a little much, only to keep the windows clean of an aircraft. But have you ever driven your car with no washer fluid and the visibility becoming poorer and poorer? Now, added with sunbeams hitting your car at a shallow angle, you've achieved IMC visibility inside with outside cav-OK conditions. What do? You pull over, clean the windshield, fill up the washer fluid and continue. This 747 does not just pull over. That's why we have excellent maintenance teams around the world who ensure that our windshields are always clean and safe for us to operate. Because there is nothing worse for a pilot if his visibility is reduced because of a couple of dead insects. Therefore, a huge thank you to the maintenance team of Cargolux for making this video possible and keeping our jumbos safe and flying. So we better finish up, as this lady is heading out to Mexico in the next hour with a set of cockpit windows, which I have personally cleaned under the supervision of David. And that's it for today. Here's your checklist. Subscribe to my channel, check. Activate the notification bell, check. Follow my Instagram account, check. And perform a touch and go at my website, check. And don't forget, a good pilot, even standing on a cherry picker, is always learning. Wishing you all the best, your Captain Joe.